Once upon a time, in a beautiful coral reef, lived a special starfish named Marlin. Marlin was not like the other starfish. He had the magical ability to change colors. Every day, Marlin would swim through the reef, changing his colors to match the vibrant corals around him. The other sea creatures would watch in awe, amazed by his magical power. One day, Marlin noticed that the coral reef was losing its color. The corals were turning white and the sea creatures were worried. Marlin knew he had to do something. Marlin swam to the deepest part of the reef, where the most beautiful corals were. He changed his color to match the corals and started to sing a magical song. As he sang, the corals began to regain their color. The sea creatures watched in amazement as the coral reef transformed back to its vibrant self. Marlin's song had saved the day. From that day on, Marlin was not just a starfish, he was a hero. Every night, the sea creatures would gather around Marlin to listen to his magical songs. They would rest peacefully, knowing that with Marlin around, their home would always be beautiful and safe. And so, Marlin the magical starfish continued to live in the coral reef, spreading color and happiness wherever he went. The end.